Want to grow out your hair without looking scruffy and awkward in the process? Recently, fades and tapers have been dominating men's haircuts. But what happens when you decide to go for a longer, looser hairstyle? Due to the extreme difference in hair length, it can be challenging to grow out hair gracefully. How do you avoid the awkward in-between phases of hair growth? We asked experts for their advice. This is what they said. 1. Plan your hair goals to lay a foundation. Decide how long you want to grow your hair and communicate your goal with your barber or stylist. Come with photos as reference for what you'd like to achieve hair-wise. A good stylist can guide you based on your lifestyle, job, and the amount of time you're willing to spend styling your hair. 2. Start by cutting your hair to a more uniform length. Growing out your hair can be tough if the sides and top are very different lengths. In that case, it's best to go with a shorter haircut in order to start with an even base. It might feel frustrating to want to grow out your hair and instead end up with shorter hair, but it will pay off in the end. 3. Keep the edges clean as you grow out your hair. Of course, hair will grow all by itself, but this will keep you looking professional. Transitioning to a longer, brushed-back style takes patience. During this time, visit your hairdresser regularly for minor cleanups, especially at the neck and around the ears. Keeping the perimeter of the haircut tidy will allow the interior to grow in nicely without the shape looking unkempt. 4. Learn how to style longer hair. Focus on foundational volume or smoothing products that can be blown dry into wet hair. These will provide longer-lasting control than finishing products like pastes, pomades, creams, and hairspray. Longer hair shows more texture, so if you've got curly hair, you'll need to style your curls so they're defined. With a little time and care, you can grow out your hair into a beautiful, free-flowing style and keep it looking good throughout the process.